I am at Garden Gallery Ironworks in Hubbard with Don Sprague. And Don, today is your annual holiday open house, and that's a fun day. But we're going to talk about this really cool item right here, enamelware. Looks like it's coming back again.
Enamelware has been very, very popular. It's a great gift item.
Oh, nice.
Item for Christmas, you know, and to all the holiday parties that you're attending, it's a great little hostess gift to take. It's just been really, really popular, and we've got a full collection of anything that you could want from days gone by of enamelware.
It's really kind of sentimental because maybe great-grandma had it, or you know, your family had it, and that farm style is just really popular.
It's very, very popular.
And I see over here that you have the tinware too, and that's a really kind of a sentimental look too.
The tinware has been very popular, and there's all sorts of it. There's big pieces, there's small pieces. You know, the little seed and planters are being put in lots of these little containers, and Jeff was just telling me that the younger generation is now, what do they call it?
They're really into plant parenting, right? They love plants, and just like their little babies.
And if you want to be a plant parent, we got lots of these plants and lots of tin to put them in.
That is cool. And then I noticed that you have that corrugated metal too, and I remember those wonderful raised beds. So do you still have those?
The raised beds are going great, and we're ready for spring right now. And we've added a couple new choices for you to have. There's a standard 4x4, 4x6, 2x4, 2x6.
And that's a really nice gift too. I wouldn't mind having one of those.
Yep.
But we're going to go to another part of your store and see some other beautiful things.
Oh, great. Let's do it.
All right. Don, you always have such a collection of lanterns. I just love these.
Lanterns are great this year, and we've got a huge amount of lanterns in here. Some of them are already decorated, and some of them you can just buy plain and decorate them yourself.
And what if we're not real creative? Would you help with that?
Oh, sure. We can help pick out a few things to put in it, and I think you'll go away happy.
Oh, that's great. And then I see that you have artwork with lights in it. That's really unique.
You know, we had those last year, and they were just absolutely cool. We sold through on them so fast, and I'm sorry that we sold out of them, but we brought in a huge inventory of them this year, so we're ready to go.
And then not just decorations for inside, I see that you have some for outdoors too. That's really cool.
We've got the snowmen, the angels, and the trees. They're all back by popular demand, and we've already been selling them, and so there's lots of choices there, and they're all lit, ready to go.
Very nice. And then today is a special day. It's your holiday open house. So what's going on today?
Oh man, today is great. And you know, the store is all decorated up with about 12 different trees, and the whole staff is just all taken apart in it this year, which is, there's a little bit of everybody's touch everywhere.
Oh, that is cool.
And we're going to have Carol's Cocktail will be back. We're going to have refreshments, and there'll be plenty of finger food, gifts throughout, drawings throughout the day for a gift. First 50 people get a free gift. Wow. So it's going to be a fun event.
Really, it's really happening all day today. You can go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website. You get the directions and the times. You have to come out today with your friends and family and just get ready for the holidays. Don, it's so beautiful here. Thanks so much for inviting us.
Thank you.